Ukraine's Katran naval drone has been outfitted with weapons capable of striking targets up to 100 kilometers away. A defense ministry officer with the call sign Devyachi, part of the Black Sea Legion, told in his interview with Militarny that the platform is designed for strategic operations. The naval drone has a maximum operating range of 3,000 kilometers and can remain at sea for up to 6 days. It uses artificial intelligence to accurately engage targets. The system allows operations beyond 2,000 kilometers. Although the official figure is 1,600 kilometers, we've had successful missions as far as 3,000 kilometers, Devyachi said. In March, it was revealed that the multi-purpose Katran naval drone had been developed by Ukrainian company, military armored company, Hub. The Katran family of unmanned naval systems is capable of engaging targets in the air, at sea, and deep behind enemy lines. The platform can carry various types of armament, from FPV drones to missiles. Weapons and drones are mounted on a superstructure above the drone's main hull. The control system uses an operator's seat with a steering wheel modeled after an aircraft yoke, along with a throttle lever. Several control buttons are located on the wheel, one of which is believed to activate the vessel's forward thrust. Footage from the drone's day and night cameras is transmitted to the operator's augmented reality goggles and also displayed on a monitor behind them, likely for situational awareness among other command personnel. Ukraine's main intelligence directorate has been developing a fleet of sea drones for some time. A key component includes unmanned platforms adapted for launching kamikaze drones capable of targeting both land-based and fast-moving maritime threats. Since their first use in the Black Sea in June 2023, Ukraine's naval drones have evolved from basic explosive-laden vessels to multifunctional, reusable systems. Earlier, Ukraine's Magura V-5 maritime drone, armed with R-73 missiles, destroyed 2 Russian Mi-8 helicopters and damaged a third near Crimea on December 31st, according to Ukraine's defense intelligence. Russian sources confirmed the losses, and Ukrainian officials noted the strike as a direct response to Russian tactics using helicopters against unmanned vessels.